When it comes to selling your old smartphone, there are plenty of options available to you. You can find great deals online, via trade-in programs, or even through traditional methods like pawn shops and classified ads. No matter which route you choose, there are a few key things to keep in mind in order to maximize the value of your device and ensure a smooth transaction. The first step is assessing the condition of your phone. This will determine what kind of price you can expect when it comes time to sell. Devices that are in excellent condition with no damage or major wear and tear will fetch the highest prices, while those with more extensive damage will fetch less money. If possible, try to get an estimate from a reputable source on how much your phone is worth in its current condition before attempting to list it for sale. Once you know how much your phone is worth, you can begin exploring the different ways you can sell it. If you're looking for convenience and speed, then online auction sites like eBay or Swapper are great options. They make it easy to list your device and reach an international audience quickly. Trade-in programs such as Apple's offer competitive prices for used devices, as well as additional incentives such as store credit or gift cards that could be used towards future purchases at their stores or websites. If speed isn't a priority, then traditional methods like pawn shops and classified ads may be better suited for selling your old smartphone. This way you don't need to wait for bids or offers from buyers, but instead have immediate cash in hand once the transaction is complete, although these amounts tend to be lower than other methods. Additionally, some retailers such as Best Buy offer instant cash payment when trading in devices at their stores, perfect if you need money right away. No matter which method you decide on, make sure that all personal data has been removed from the device before selling it off. This includes any accounts that were logged into, such as Google, so that no one else can access them after purchase. Once everything has been taken care of properly, then all that's left is sending off the device and collecting payment, no matter what route chosen. Thanks for watching.